Ano sa English ang kuripot? Dito sa Pilipinas, pag sinabihan kang kuripot, ibig sabihin ayaw mong gumastos, ayaw mong maglabas ng pera, ika nga. Kuripot in English could mean stingy or cheap. Pwede rin namang frugal or thrifty. Pero yung stingy at saka yung cheap, usually they're used negatively. So kapag kasi sinabing you are stingy or you are cheap, it means you don't want to spend money even when it is necessary. It means that you prioritize saving money more than being generous. It can be viewed as selfish. Kasi minsan kahit meron kang pera, talagang hindi ka maglalabas kahit kailangan mo lang maglabas ng pera. Halimbawa, lalabas kayo ng mga kaibigan mo. Tapos, syempre, kailangan mong mag-share din, di ba? Kaya lang, dahil sa sobrang kakuriputan mo, yun, hindi ka mag-share. Kung mag-share ka man, napakaliit lang na halaga. For example, his boss is so stingy with raises, even if the company is doing well. Napakakuripot ng boss niya na kahit okay naman yung kita ng company, hindi pa rin niya gustong bigyan ng magandang raise or increase yung mga tauhan niya. Another one, he's so cheap, he never tips. At diba, masyado siyang stingy, masyado siyang kuripot, hindi man lang nagbibigay ng tip kahit ang ganda-ganda ng service para sa kanya. Okay, kapag sinabing frugal or thrifty ang isang tao, positive yan, okay? Because hindi naman lahat ng nagkukuripot ay madamot, diba? They're just trying to be wise with their money. They focus more on getting the best value and avoiding waste. Kumbaga, mas nagiging smart ka lang sa paggastos ng pera. Pero kung kinakailangan naman talagang gumastos ng pera, syempre, naglalabas ka naman. For example, she's frugal and prefers cooking at home rather than eating outside to save money. He is thrifty and always shops during sales and uses coupons to save money. What about you? Are you stingy, cheap, thrifty, or frugal? Let me know in the comments.